now we have completed two parts of your unit 1. That is, first one the ice cream man, and the second one was the wonderful waste. Isn't it? In both the letters, first we have seen how the children are gathering around the ice cream man. Then in the second lesson we have seen that the Maharaja of Travancore, how when he asked to make use of the bits of the vegetables where the cook had kept for waste to put for as waste, the Maharaja asked him, no waste should be put over there, it has to be used for anything else, isn't it? So what did the cook do? He collected all the pieces, all the bits of the vegetables, and what did he do? He made a new dish and it was given the name Avi. And one more part of that unit, that is the bamboo curry. So have you seen bamboo? Or anybody has seen? Yes, bamboo means mula. In Malayalam we say the word mula. So have you seen that word? Yes, everywhere we can. On our way also we have seen that the plant, isn't it? Very big tree with bamboo. So that bamboo, how can we make curry? Have you anybody had used that bamboo for curry? It is not possible. At home we are using vegetables, isn't it? We are not using bamboo. Bamboo is a kind of food, isn't it? Can we make food with the use of food? No, isn't it? So here in this poem we are going to know how that person, that is the mother-in-law, had made curry out of bamboo and had served to her son-in-law. And then son-in-law got taste of that curry. He got a special taste of that curry. And what did he do? He collected those bamboo and went to his home and asked his wife to make curry how his mother-in-law has made and given to him, isn't it? So now this is what we are going to study in this poem. Understood? So then we will see how that daughter-in-law had made the bamboo curry for her husband, whether it was possible or not. Now I will go through the lesson. It is a poem. Have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Nobody has eaten, isn't it? You or me has never eaten any dish made out of bamboo. Can we make a dish out of bamboo? Mula gondu curry undakkan bittu? No, we cannot, isn't it? So here the story deals with what? A curry made by bamboo, made with the use of bamboo. Now let us read. Now we will see. One day the mother-in-law. So who was making that? Mother-in-law. So who was making that? Mother-in-law. One day the mother-in-law of the Sangal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. So bridegroom is the person who gets married to the daughter, isn't it? Boy. So what did she do? She made a new dish. She made a new dish. Dish means for something to eat. Understood? Something to eat. When he visited him. So one day this bridegroom, what did he do? He visited his mother-in-law. And when he went to mother-in-law's house, she had given him a special dish. This curry is delicious. Delicious means very sweet. It is very sweet, tasty. Understood? So she made a dish and given. And after having the dish, what did he say? What did the bridegroom say? It is very delicious. What is it? So he wanted to ask, what is it? What is it made of? What is the name of the special dish? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. So it was a small hut, not of today's building, made out of cement and all. It was an old building, and you have seen also there are bamboos used for making that house. Huts are made out of bamboo. That means when you go in the forest, you can are being, a small tent is being built in the forest, isn't it? So that they can stay over there and get saved from where? From these wild animals. So there also we are not using cement or bricks like that. We are using only what? Bamboo sticks for using the small hut. Understood? Temporary hut. So what did she do? She pointed to the door of the house which is made out of bamboo. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So the bride, he had taken it and he said that it is very tasty and asked her from where it was being taken. What is used for making that special dish. So what did the mother-in-law say? She did not say anything, just pointed to the bamboo. That means what? That special dish was made out of bamboo. So he thought, in my village there are no bamboos. Understood? So the next morning he has to go back. So he thought, in my village there are no bamboo. Then how can I make this new tasty dish? So I will read that once more. One day, the mother-in-law of the Sandal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Understood all of you? When he went to see his mother-in-law, she had cooked a special dish and given to him. The curry is delicious. So after having that, what did he say? It is very tasty or it is very delicious. And he asked, what is it? He asked, what is the name of that new dish? In the last lesson we have studied about the making of which dish? Yes, avial, isn't it? Similarly, here also, after having that dish, he asked, what is it made of? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. What did she do? She said, she pointed, she showed that door of that hut. That means it is made of bamboo. She pointed to that and that is, when we point something to that means what? It is understood. It is understood. She did not open her mouth and say anything. Just pointed to the door of the hut. And then who understood? Yes, the bridegroom understood that it was made of bamboo. Understood now? So you also can go home and say your parents how to make a curry out of bamboo. Understood? So that day the dish is over and the night over. The next morning he has to leave. So the next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his house. So why did he think that there are no bamboo? Why did he think about that bamboo? Yes, because he wanted to make the same dish what the mother-in-law has given to him when he goes to his village. Understood now? So he thought, in my village there are no bamboo. Okay, 3 parts you understood. Now coming to the next. So he removed the bamboo door and carried it with him, left for his home. What did he do? Before leaving, he took off the door and he carried on his head and went back to his village. What did he do? He took that bamboo door, carried on his head and walked for his village. On reaching the village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. And then he reached home and called his wife and said, now you have to make curry using this bamboo dough. Understood? So did that wife knows anything about this? No, she did not know anything, isn't it? She did not come to know that he has taken the dish. So now just bringing a bamboo dough and saying to his wife, now you make the curry out of this bamboo dough. Understood? What a funny thing. Yes or no? Yes, it is very funny taking the door and say, can we take the door and give to our mother and ask to make curry out of it? No, we cannot say, isn't it? We cannot do it. How can we make? How can we eat? Can we eat door? Door is made out of wood. Can we eat? No, isn't it? So this bridegroom, what did he do? As mother-in-law said, the dish was made of bamboo. What did he do? The next morning, returning to his village, what did he do? He took that bamboo door and went. And reaching home, he told his wife to make a curry using this bamboo dough. Understood? I'll read. One day, the mother-in-law of the Samuel bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. The curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. What did he do? He took that door and left for his village. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. So when reaching home, he saw his wife. He gave the door to her and asked her to make a dish out of that bamboo door. Now we will see whether the lady has made the dish and given. Understood? So this much you understood? Yes. Now coming to the next part. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? So seeing, bringing that bamboo door and asking her to make curry. We used to make curry out of what? Vegetables, isn't it? Different kind of vegetables which are being cut and used. But can we use by using a door or window made out of wood or bamboo? No. In our life we have never tasted, isn't it? So there was something special, extraordinary, isn't it? Bringing a bamboo door and asking her to cook and make a dish out of it. So she was shocked. Shocked means surprised. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? She asked, how can I make curry out of this bamboo door? So he said, come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo. Chopping means cutting. He said, okay, now you come with me. I will show how to make the dish. First, what you have to do? Chop the bamboo. That means cutting into small pieces. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Then after chopping, after cutting and giving into pieces, what did she do? She started boiling it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, it is too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. So after cooking, boiling, she had kept it for a long time to make it cooked, isn't it? So after that, she had given him that food, and what did he say? It is too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. Because mother-in-law, when he went to see mother-in-law, she had given a tasty food, and she said that was made from where? Bamboo door, isn't it? She did not say, just pointed to the bamboo door and said. So he understood that this curry was made from bamboo door. So taking that home, asking his wife to make curry, she said she don't know. Then he said, I will show you how to use it. So he cut it, made it into pieces and gave it to her and asked her to boil. She boiled and boiled. Still, it was too hard for him to eat. And finally, what did he say? You don't know how to cook. Now look, I'll read once more. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of the bamboo door? So she asked how I can make the curry out of this. Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo. He said. What did he say? I will show you how to make that. Means first of all, what has to be done? It has to be chopped into pieces, cut into small pieces. His wife boiled it and boiled it. So after making into pieces, she started boiling. Later, when her husband tasted, he said, then it was given to her husband. And after having it, what did he say? It is too hard to eat. He cannot eat it because it is too hard. You don't know how to cook. And a comment also was given to her that because you don't know how to cook, it is too hard. Understood that much? Now we will see again what happened. His wife added more water and boiled and boiled. Still, what did she do? She started again boiling, adding water and still boiling and boiling. It is still too hard, I can't eat it. So, till the end also the same saying was said by the husband. What did he say? It is too hard to eat. She has done her maximum cooking in it, but still it was too hard. So did that wife give a tasty or delicious dish to him? No, because she don't know how to cook it. So he asked her to boil it, and that she has done. but still the hardness was there. Understood? It was not at all soft. Then in-laws came. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. Who is the couple? This wife and husband. Couple means wife and husband. Wife and husband. So, who came to visit? The in-laws. That means the mother-in-law and her family members one day came to visit these people, this wife and husband. They all laughed at his foolishness. So he had said the whole story to them, isn't it? What is the story? That bringing the bamboo door, asking his wife to cook and cutting into small pieces and boiling, adding water and boiling. Still, what is left? The hardness is left. So he said that it was not tasty as who had given? Mother-in-law has given. So they all started laughing for his foolishness. Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from bamboo door? What is the shoot? Bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot means what? Sorry. Bamboo shoot means what? The tender part of the bamboo. Tender part means tilundu, we'll say. So mother-in-law and the other in-laws, what did they do? They started laughing and calling him a fool. Why did they call him a fool? Because the curry is not made out of what? Bamboo dough. It is made out of what? Bamboo shoot. Shoot means that is tender part of the plant. Understood? Tilundu part. That is very soft. So that can be cut and made into curry. So that is how, who has made the bamboo curry? Mother-in-law. Yes, mother-in-law had used which part? Bamboo shoot, the tender part of the bamboo. Understood? Not the door of the bamboo. So because the mother has pointed to the bamboo door, what did the bridegroom, what did he think? He thought that the curry was made totally from what? Bamboo door. So he had carried the whole thing to his village, given to his wife, asked her to cook. But she, poor lady, what did she do? According to him, she boiled and boiled, but still the hardness was there. He did not get into a curry, isn't it? But when the tender part of that bamboo was used, what was made? A tasty dish was made. Understood? So we will make a curry out of bamboo shoot or bamboo dough. Yes, we have to say curry out of bamboo shoot. Understood? So now you understood the point. So this is the story of the bamboo curry, how the curry was made out of bamboo. Actually the curry was made out of what? Bamboo shoot. Understood? Shoot means the tender part of that bamboo. Now complete the sentence. So bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws house because it was made of what? Bamboo door. And there was no bamboo way in his village. So why did he take the bamboo door from the mother-in-law's house and went to his village? Because he remembered that there are no bamboo trees there in his village. So if he go to the village and if he wanted to make a curry out of bamboo, what he has to do? He has to carry the bamboo door and go, isn't it? That is why the next morning leaving home, what did he carry with him? The bamboo door. Understood? The bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end. Because why? What happened? Because he had carried what and when? Bamboo door. Actually, bamboo door means it is hard, isn't it? It cannot be made into any type of dish. But what was it made actually? It was made out of bamboo shoot, the tender part of that bamboo plant. That can be cut and used for curry, isn't it? So when the mother-in-law had showed, she meant that he had understood how the curry was made from the bamboo. Understood? But actually, who did not understand? The bridegroom did not understand. He is a fool. That is why as soon as she had pointed to the bamboo door, what did he do? He carried the whole thing and went and asked. At least he could have asked who? Mother-in-law how it is made, isn't it? So that much nothing is inside his head. So certain only fill in the blanks are based on that. I will be sending you the note. You have to complete it. I hope you all are writing the notes in your notebook. Everybody should write in neat handwriting. Whatever notes are coming to you, you should write all the notes and you should see that if any doubt in the spelling is there, please just open the textbook and see the spelling correctly and write in your notebook. Understood? I will read the poem, the whole poem once. One day the mother-in-law of the sandal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. The curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him, left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." She was shocked. "How can I make curry out of a bamboo door?" "Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo," he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It is too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. "It is still too hard. I can't eat it." So he was not able to eat when his wife has made the dish for him. Understood? How can he eat? Can he eat with that hard? No, he was not able because the correct thing was not there for making the dish. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. So that particular evening, mother-in-law and others came to visit them. They all laughed at his foolishness. So when hearing the whole story of making the new tasty dish, what did they do? Did they encourage him? No, they all called him a fool. The mother-in-law said, so then now she had said, "Didn't you know that curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from bamboo dough?" So now at the last moment, what did she say? The curry was made from what? Bamboo shoot and not from bamboo dough. Understood now? So we are coming to the end of the first unit. So what's the unit means? One lesson and two such kinds of poems. So one unit is over. So along with your notebook, I will be sending some notes of the previous lessons also. Understood? So I will be putting the page numbers and now you have to copy it correctly in your notebook. Okay? Today's lesson is over. Thank you.